Is your kitchen feeling cramped and cluttered? Let's fix that. Today, we're diving into the must-have kitchen organization essentials that will help you declutter, streamline, and transform your space. From life-saving tools to game-changing gadgets, I'm sharing my top picks that will make organizing your kitchen a total breeze. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to a beautifully organized kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video packed with kitchen and home gadget goodness. Let's get started. First up, Expandable Bamboo Drawer Organizer. If you're tired of rummaging through messy drawers just to find a spoon or spatula, this luxury bamboo kitchen drawer organizer is seriously a game changer. It expands to fit most standard kitchen drawers, up to almost 20 inches wide, and has deep compartments perfect for everything from silverware to those chunky cooking utensils. I love that it's made of bamboo too, super durable, and it just looks nicer than plastic. One thing that makes this stand out, the groove dividers make it feel way more premium and help keep things in place. Available on Amazon, price $33. Next up, Mind Reader Coffee Station Organizer. If you got a coffee corner that's starting to look a little chaotic, this Mind Reader cup and condiment station might be just what you need. It's got 11 compartments to neatly store cups, lids, sugar packets, creamers, and even stirs. Everything stays in one spot and easy to grab. I really like how it works, just as well at home as it does in an office or break room setup. What makes it stand out is the rubber grips on the bottom. No sliding around when you're reaching for your morning fix. Available on Amazon, price $28. Orii 18 Jar Bamboo Spice Rack. If your spice situation is getting out of hand, the Orii 18 Jar Bamboo Spice Organizer is a total lifesaver. It's compact enough to fit on your counter or tuck into a drawer, and it comes already filled with 18 essential spices. How cool is that? Each jar is labeled and waterproof, so you're not guessing what's it while you're cooking. The bamboo rack feels super sturdy and looks way nicer than plastic alternatives. Available on Amazon, price $35. Expandable Bamboo Pots and Pans Organizer. If your pots, pans, and cutting boards are always fighting for space, this bamboo organizer might be your new best friend. It expands from 7-inch to 6-inch, so it fits snugly in most cabinets and gives you plenty of room to sort lids, trays, bakeware, you name it. What's awesome is the deep U-shaped dividers that make storing pot lids with knobs super easy and no more stacking drama. It's made from solid bamboo too, so it looks great and holds up to heavy cookware without wobbling. Available on Amazon, price $39. Caddy Snap Spice Organizer. If your spice cabinet is a cluttered mess, the Cabinet Caddy Snap is a total game changer. It has snap-in adjustable shelf, so you can fit everything from small spice jars to taller seasoning bottles, and the slide and rotate design makes finding what you need super easy. What really sets it apart is the magnetic modular base. So if you grab more than one, they snap together like a custom spice wall. It's awesome for small kitchens or anyone short on cabinet space. Available on Amazon, price $43. Kenbi Bamboo Hop Obey Organizer. Tired of wrestling with tangled foil and jam drawers? The Combi Storage Bag Organizer is a total game changer for messy kitchens. It combines a 3-in-1 wrap dispenser with a built-in cutter and a baggie organizer that fits gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags. Perfect for keeping your drawer neat and clutter-free. Made from solid bamboo, it looks great and is super durable. Plus, the slide cutter makes grabbing wrap so much easier. What really makes it stand out? You can connect or detach the sections to fit your space, drawer, counter, or wall. Available on Amazon, price $50. Acrylic Spice Organizer Set. If you're tired of cluttered spice racks, the 2-set acrylic seasoning organizer box is your perfect solution. With 8 clear jars and matching spoons, it's a stylish way to keep salt, sugar, spices, and herbs organized without taking up too much counter space. The clear acrylic design lets you see exactly what's inside, so you can grab what you need quickly. Plus, these jars are made of durable acrylic and stainless steel, making them reusable and easy to clean. Available on Amazon, price $30. Coffee Bar Organizer. If you're looking to organize your coffee essentials and save space, this two-tier coffee bar organizer is a game changer. With 12 hooks for mugs, a 30-pod drawer for your K-cups, and 3 shelves for easy access to all your supplies, it's the perfect solution for any coffee lover. What sets it apart is its sturdy, stylish design that combines metal and wood for a durable, elegant look that complements any kitchen or office. Available on Amazon. Price $39. Plus magnetic knife block. If you want a safer, more stylish way to store your knives, check out the Plus magnetic knife block holder. It's perfect for home cooks and chefs who want their favorite blades easy to grab, but safely out of the way. The double-sided strong magnets keep knives super secure, while the clear, wide design lets you see and access everything quickly. Plus, it looks gorgeous on your counter. What really sets it apart is the protective acrylic shield, which keeps fingers safe and knives scratch-free. No installation needed, just set it up and go. Available on Amazon. Price $40. YouCopia RollDown Egg Dispenser. If you're looking to upgrade your fridge organization, the YouCopia RollDown Egg Dispenser is a game changer. It's a space-saving, gravity-fed design that holds 12 to 14 eggs. Perfect for all sizes, from standard to jumbo. No more messy cartons taking up space. Just load your eggs and let them roll out one by one with a gentle motion. It fits neatly in your fridge with its small footprint and stays put thanks to the non-slip feet. Plus, it's made from durable, BPA-free plastic, so it's built to last and easy to clean. Perfect for anyone looking to organize their fridge and keep eggs accessible and fresh. Available on Amazon. Price $17. Night Tree Bamboo Drawer Organizer. If you're tired of the clutter in your kitchen drawers, the Night Tree Bamboo Drawer Organizer is here to save the day. Made from 100% sustainable bamboo, this expandable organizer is sturdy, sleek, and free of harmful materials, so it's great for any eco-conscious home. What sets it apart is its versatility. It expands from 13, 7 to 21, 6 inches with 5 customizable compartment sizes, making it perfect for everything from cutlery to gadgets. Plus, it comes with optional anti-slip stickers to keep it firmly in place. It's not just for the kitchen either. Use it in your office, craft room, or even bathroom to keep everything neatly sorted. Available on Amazon. Price $37. Mudila Expandable Pot and Pan Organizer. If you're struggling with kitchen clutter and trying to keep your pots, pans, and lids organized, the Mudila Pots and Pans Organizer might just be the solution you need. This expandable rack fits perfectly under your cabinets, offering customizable compartments to store your cookware, cutting boards, and lids, and it can even expand from 12 to 23 inches to fit your kitchen perfectly. What's unique about this organizer is its thoughtful design with anti-damage strips and anti-slip tubing to keep everything securely in place. You don't need any tools for setup, and it's super sturdy once assembled. It's great for any kitchen, whether you have heavy cast iron skillets or delicate bakeware. Available on Amazon. Price $24. Aquzee Coffee Bar Organizer. If you're looking to elevate your coffee station, the Aquzee Coffee Bar Organizer is perfect for you. With 12 hooks for mugs and a spacious 2-tier design, it helps you keep everything from coffee pods to creamers neatly organized and easy to access. The adjustable feet and durable wood construction make it both functional and stylish. Plus, it's super easy to assemble. Available on Amazon. Price $28. Lazy Susan Revolution. If you're tired of everyone reaching over each other at the dinner table, the Lazy Susan Revolution is here to save the day. This patented, expandable turntable is perfect for family gatherings, parties, or any meal, making it super easy for everyone to grab what they want without the mess. It's heat-resistant, non-slip, and can be extended to fit any table size. No tools required for setup. Available on Amazon. Price $109. Moforoco 9-tier over-the-door organizer. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to organize your pantry or any room with limited storage, the Moforoco 9-tier over-the-door organizer is a game changer. It's perfect for maximizing your space, offering 9 tiers of sturdy metal shelves to hold everything from spices to cleaning supplies. The best part? It's tool-free installation. Just hang it over your door and you're good to go. Plus, it can hold heavy jars or cans without worrying about them falling off. A versatile organizer that can be used in kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Available on Amazon. Price, $60. KIMISS Spice Organizer Box. If you're tired of cluttered spice racks, the KIMISS Box Seasoning Organizer might just be what you need. This sleek 8-grid aluminum alloy container set keeps all your seasonings, snacks, and dry goods neatly organized. What makes it stand out is its detachable grid design, which makes refilling and cleaning super easy. Plus, it comes with lids and spoons for added convenience. It's not just practical, it's a stylish way to keep your kitchen tidy. Available on Amazon. Price, $56. New Bamboo Knife Drawer Organizer. If you're tired of a cluttered kitchen drawer and want to keep your knives safe and organized, the NIUXX Bamboo Indoor Knife Block is a must-have. With space for up to 16 knives, plus a slot for a sharpener, this organizer helps you easily store and access your kitchen tools without taking up precious counter space. The removable and washable slots make it super easy to clean, and the non-slip design keeps everything in place. Perfect for any cooking enthusiast looking to tidy up their kitchen. Available on Amazon. Price, $37. Hoctieon 3-tier wall wine rack. Looking for a stylish way to display your wine collection? The Hoctieon 3-tier wall mount wine rack is perfect for creating a rustic, space-saving wine display in your living room, dining room, or even wine cellar. It holds up to 9 bottles and features a sturdy combination of wood and metal that's both durable and beautiful. The best part? It's super easy to assemble and install. Just follow the simple instructions. Available on Amazon. Price, $42. Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer Set. Looking to maximize your cabinet space? The 4-pack Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is perfect for organizing everything from spices to small kitchen appliances. Its adjustable width, 12" to 20", and smooth sliding system make it easy to fit most cabinets, and the sturdy carbon steel design can hold heavy items. Plus, the installation is a breeze with nano adhesive or screws for extra security. Available on Amazon with price, $99. Bukfen K-Cup Coffee Organizer. If you're looking to organize your coffee station in style, the Bukfen K-Cup Coffee Bar Station Organizer is a must-have. It features a 3-tier design with 8 hooks for mugs, plus a ventilated, easy-to-clean structure that keeps your coffee essentials dry and accessible. Perfect for home, office, or cafe use. This space-saving organizer makes your coffee routine even more enjoyable. Available on Amazon. Price, $20. So, which of these kitchen organization ideas caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.